Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Nick from Studio Suite. Nick, how you doing today?
Great. How are you, Alicia?
I'm doing well, thank you. So in this video, you're going to be telling me about the external API integrations that are available in Studio Suite. And I just want to ask you first, can you kind of explain what APIs are and why did you decide to build them into the Studio Suite software?
Yeah, of course. APIs are simply a way for two pieces of software to communicate with each other, a way for us to integrate with existing tools that you already use as part of your workflow.
Okay, so it definitely makes it easier. So now I want to ask, how does having these APIs in the Studio Suite software help speed up the workflow of a studio manager?
So many of the things that our API integrations do, you might already use those features. For example, QuickBooks, you might already do your accounting in there. You might already have file storage in services like Box, Dropbox, or Google Drive. And so our integrations with those services allow you to move seamlessly between Studio Suite and your other workflows.
Okay, great. Well, you mentioned QuickBooks, and I just kind of want to know the rest of the APIs that are available and built into Studio Suite.
Yeah, so I mentioned QuickBooks, which is one of our most popular integrations. We have a desktop and online version ready for Studio Suite. We also have file storage services like Box, Dropbox, and Google Drive, where you can upload and download files to and from Studio Suite. And finally, we have two communication tools, Slack and Twilio, integrated with Studio Suite. Slack allows you to create channels from your Studio Suite projects. And with Twilio, you can send SMS notifications from your events, tasks, projects, and productions in Studio Suite.
Okay, wonderful. Well, as you said, having all 8 of those APIs that you mentioned in one place really makes it easier on the studio manager to just keep all of their information in one place and make it easy.
That's right, and to connect all of your different workflows.
Wonderful. Well, thanks so much, Nick, for telling me a little bit more about that. And if you would like to find out more about Studio Suite, you can contact them. You can call them at the number up on the screen, or you can visit them online at studiosuite.com, and make sure to like, subscribe, and follow them on social media. Thanks again, Nick.
Thank you, Alicia.